1 second, and everything changes. This video shows only real crash moments captured by witnesses, cockpit, and dash cams. No reconstructions, no slow-motion breakdowns, no theories. Just the instant when flight becomes impact. Some clips are hard to watch. Viewer discretion is advised. Turn up your screen, silence distractions, and focus. Metal, speed, and gravity leave no margin. Breathe in, blink once, and you might miss the decision point. These are real events, recorded as they happened. No hype, no commentary. The moment itself says everything. Let's begin. On August 17, 2021, the prototype Ilyushin Il-112V caught fire in its right engine during approach to Kubinka Air Base near Moscow and crashed. The impact was captured on video. All 3 test crew members were killed.
Вон. Смотри.
Мать честная, ты снимаешь?
Да.
Ой, какой кошмар. И что теперь?
Я не знаю.
Он что, падает?
Да. Все.
Ой, упал. Мама дорогая.
Ё-моё.
Ой, вообще ужас какой. Боже мой.
Пипец.
Дим, кинь мне.
On July 25, 2023, a Hellenic Air Force Canadair CL-215 crashed near Platanistos on the island of Evia while fighting a wildfire. Both pilots, the captain and co-pilot, were killed, and the crash was captured on video. On August 26, 2019, a Spanish Air Force Casa C-101 aviojet from the San Javier Air Academy crashed into the Mediterranean off La Manga during a training flight, killing the pilot, Commander Francisco Marin Nunez. The jet went down shortly after takeoff near the base, and the impact was caught on video. On January 14, 2017, a Royal Thai Air Force JAS-39 Gripen crashed during a Children's Day airshow at Hat Yai International Airport in Songkhla, Thailand. The pilot, Squadron Leader Dilokrit Padavi, was killed. The jet impacted near the runway, away from spectators. On August 3, 2016, Emirates flight EK521, a Boeing 777-300 from Tiruvananthapuram, attempted a go-around after touchdown at Dubai, sank back onto runway 12L with the gear retracting, skidded, and caught fire. All 300 on board evacuated. The tower frequency captures the crew's go-around call and emergency response. A firefighter was fatally injured during the post-crash blaze.
انا يا سمعت شيء ينقع وراي. اوه شت انفجر الطياره.
On September 10th, 2023, a North American T-28 Trojan crashed during a display at the Börgönd Airshow near Székesfehérvár outside Budapest, bursting into flames on impact. Both occupants were killed and 3 people on the ground were injured.
Jézus Mária.
The thing that actually put flight plan.
On August 20th, 2011, aerobatic pilot Bryan Jensen crashed his modified Pitts Model 12 biplane, the Beast, during a routine at the Kansas City Aviation Expo Airshow at Charles B. Wheeler Downtown Airport. He was killed on impact. The crash was captured on video, and no spectators were injured.
Oh, look at that. Where are they going to? The totally out of control.
Oh no.
Okay, everyone, we do have.
That's not good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do have emergency personnel who are prepared for this.
He stalled.
We have planned for this sort of an event. And we ask that you all remain where you are to let any emergency personnel by.
Make the whole thing on video.
Fire trucks are being mobilized right now. Again, please remain where you are to let any emergency vehicles through. There is one making its way through that now. Through the crowd now.
Oh no.
On May 17, 2015, a U.S. Marine Corps MV-22B Osprey crashed while attempting a landing at Bellows Air Force Station on Oahu, Hawaii, and caught fire. 2 Marines were killed and 20 others injured. The impact was filmed from the nearby beach. On August 28, 2023, a Broward Sheriff's Office fire rescue Eurocopter EC-135 caught fire shortly after takeoff from Pompano Beach Air Park and crashed into an apartment building in Pompano Beach, Florida. 2 people were killed, Captain Terrison Jackson and a woman inside the building, and 4 others were injured. On August 2, 2015, a Russian Aerospace Forces Mi-28N from the Börgönd aerobatic team crashed during a display at the Dubrovichi training range near Ryazan. The impact is visible on video. 1 pilot was killed, and the other survived with injuries.
На ротацию нормально сядет. Держись! Господи.
Ну хоть пожарники стоят, я не пойму, вообще красота.
Мать твою.
Ну делайте что-нибудь, блядь! Уроды! Блядь, ну делайте что-нибудь, блядь! Поехали, поехали!
Пожар стоит. Вот поедет пожар стоит, да.
Чуть-чуть, там была высота, он склонился, он упал на это. Ну, у меня тоже было что-то.
Один такой, да. Потому что, не дай бог что, и будут стоять все смотреть. Мне просто не надо.
On August 20th, 2000, a Mi-2 crashed during an airshow at Nikolskoye Airfield near Gatchina, Russia. The impact was captured on video. A mishandled low-altitude maneuver, pilot error, led to the crash. No fatalities were reported, though 1 spectator was injured.
Пизда, бля, праздники. Тихо, тихо, в сторону.
Прекращает наш праздник. Слава Богу, летчик жив и здоров.
On September 21, 2005, JetBlue Flight 292, an Airbus A320, made an emergency landing at Los Angeles International Airport with its nose gear locked 90 degrees sideways. After circling for hours to burn fuel, it touched down in a shower of sparks and slid to a safe stop. All on board were uninjured, and the landing was broadcast live. On November 23, 1996, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 961, a hijacked Boeing 767-200ER, ran out of fuel and ditched just off Grande Comore in the Comoros. The breakup on the reef was captured on video. 125 of the 175 people on board were killed, 50 survived. On Friday, July 12, 2024, a Polish Air Force M-346 Bellows crashed during an airshow rehearsal at Gdynia Kosakovo Airport. On December 25, 2024, Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243, an Embraer E190 on the Baku-Grozny route, crashed near Aktau, Kazakhstan. 38 people were killed and 29 survived. On 12 June 1999, a Russian Su-30MK crashed during a display at the Paris Airshow at Le Bourget, France. Both pilots ejected safely, and no one on the ground was hurt. The impact was captured on video.
Тихо стоять всем. Снято.
On May 17, 2020, a Royal Canadian Air Force Snowbird CT-114 Tudor crashed shortly after takeoff from Kamloops, British Columbia. One crew member was killed and the other seriously injured. The impact was captured on video.
What the fuck? What the fuck? No way! You see that plane just come out of the sky? Holy fuck! It's over by my
On June 12, 2025, an Air India Boeing 787-8 bound for London Gatwick crashed seconds after takeoff from Ahmedabad, striking a hostel at BJ Medical College. Authorities report at least 260 fatalities, including more than 240 on board and 19 on the ground, with one passenger surviving. The investigation is ongoing.